Sif number 24. A minor should not be the reader, okay, and also he should not be called upon to assent to the Torah. Okay, so let's see. Minor commentary. Until he's 13 years of age boy, consider a minor. Okay. And he should, so the meaning reader, the public reader, first of all, right? And he should not be called to the Torah. And the commentary said the Kitzur described an exception to this rule. So in some, except, I mean, I know when we do, what is it, Simchas Torah, we will call upon the kids. So kids get an Aliyah. I mean, I think there is also an adult with them, but all of the kids get an Aliyah also. Like they like it very much. Okay, continue.
I have a question here.
Go ahead.
Before continuing, what is an Israel?
Israel, it's all Jews, not Cohen or Leib.
Okay, and the second question is if somebody who cannot be counted as part of a minyan can be called for the reading of the Torah.
For example, I give you an example. Somebody is Michal Shabbos, right? He's not observing Shabbos. We cannot call him for a Torah. Or if he's does something other sins. Okay, it's not for this lecture, but some other sins which disqualify him that as a Jew. He's temporary. He's on a ban. He's not a Jew. Or somebody who is going through the conversion, right? So I mean, he can do all of the other mitzvahs, but we cannot call him to the Torah yet.
So I think.
And plus, and the fourth category, if he's below 13 years old. Okay, go ahead.
Below 13 years old. So a converting per individual cannot read the Torah.
No.
Also, is it forbidden to read for him the Torah publicly, or it would be?
Yes. No. You cannot read.
Also, the Gemara, he cannot read public, for example, in a video.
No. There is no problem with Gemara. So if somebody, let's say, if somebody is a process of conversion, if somebody is decided, maybe yes, maybe no, so we're not allowed to teach him oral Torah. Forbidden. I mean, for him, it's a death penalty, basically, right? So somebody is not serious and he learn, and I warn people before they inches, say, I said, look, first you go back and decide whatever you want to do. It's not my decision. Don't ask me, basically, right? So you go decide. If you want to convert, okay, we're going to learn together, right? I mean, in my class. But if don't, I mean, it's you bring upon yourself death penalty from Shemayim. My job is to warn you. You do whatever you want. You understand? But once a person is in a process, the process can be 6 months, 3 months, I don't know, 6 years, 20 years, right? So he's allowed to learn the oral Torah, right? Because it's, I mean, the oral Torah is for his observance, of course. I mean,
for example, if I want to share to not hide some part of the Gemara, for example,
Gemara, some parts that has to do with creation of the world, some stories, let's say from Exodus, yes, you can show them. But some like specific what we read now, they're forbidden to learn.
For example, I want to share. I learned about tractate Sanhedrin. It would be forbidden to do that.
100%, yes, 100%, yes.
Okay, thank you.
So I mean, maybe you see in a tractate of Sanhedrin, there's some stories, Agadah, right? So some Agadah, you can show them, but not. But you see, even in outside just a story, but from this story they derive some laws. So that would be forbidden to teach them. But in general, like like a very interesting story, yeah, you can tell them. Okay. Okay, so continue. Okay, so just to remind us, we're talking about all these halachas. We said when we read in Sefer Torah on Monday and Thursday and Mincha Shabbos. Okay, we didn't get to reading on Shabbos yet. We did not. Okay.